In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present using Google Slides on Google Meet. First things first, you'll want to make sure you have both your Google Slides and Google Meet set up properly for this to work smoothly. To kick things off, open your Google Slides presentation in a tab on your Chrome browser. Having this ready is essential as it sets the stage for a seamless transition into your meeting. Next, open Google Meet in a different Chrome window. Keeping your browser windows organized will help you navigate between the presentation and the meeting without any hiccups. Once you've got Google Meet open, go ahead and join the meeting. Whether it's a scheduled meeting or a spontaneous one, make sure you're connected and ready to engage with your participants. Now that you're in the meeting, look towards the bottom of the screen where you'll see the option labeled Present Now. Click on that. This button is your gateway to sharing your Google Slides with everyone in the meeting. After clicking Present Now, you'll be presented with several sharing options. For this tutorial, we want to focus on selecting a tab. This choice ensures that only your chosen slide deck will be visible to others, keeping everything professional and focused. Once you've clicked a tab, you'll need to pick the specific tab that has your Google Slides presentation open. You'll see a list of all open tabs, so just choose the one that contains your presentation. It's worth double checking that you select the correct tab, especially if you have multiple tabs open. With your tab selected, go ahead and click on Share. This action officially shares your presentation with everyone in the conference. With your slides now visible to all participants, navigate to the bottom right of the screen and find the option to start the slideshow. Click on that and your presentation will transition into a full screen view, making it easier for everyone to focus on the content you're discussing. While presenting, Google Slides provides you with a control panel at the bottom right of your screen. Here you can navigate through your slides using the arrow buttons, allowing you to move seamlessly between slides as you present your information. Additionally, if you need to jump to a specific slide, simply click the slide number and select the desired slide from the drop-down menu. Beyond basic navigation, this control panel offers advanced features like choosing co-presenters, opening speaker notes for a smoother delivery, opening embedded links or media, enabling audio sharing for a more dynamic presentation, and even making annotations to highlight key points. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to presenting your Google Slides on Google Meet. By following these steps, you'll ensure a smooth and professional presentation experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.